people, back for another wet one and windy one. There is a storm there is a storm coming in the next hour or two, but it already seems like it's here. We are going to attempt the wild camp. Me and the boy James out there, he's with the dog. We've got the dog with us, she's all wrapped up in our waterproofs. I don't know if we'll get away with this or not, because the wind is saying it'll get to 80 mile an hour gusts. Would the OEX Jackel hold that? And what's James got? A Berghaus Cheviot 2, I think it is. Will they hold in that? Who knows? The rain's not too bad. It's the wind that'll probably get us, but we are going to check the wind on the way and see. So come along with us. This is probably going to be quite fun, to be fair. We're going to get blown left, right and centre. Worst case scenario, we pack up and we go back for a couple of beers. So after saying all that, let's crack on. Literally just stepped out of the car, and as you can see the kins there, the phone's getting say the kins there is all thingied up. 21.4. It's not too bad. It seems coming stronger than that. Let's go! Yeah, it's 21. This will be fun. I forgot to say, we're back on Mulvara. Little bit of a safe haven in this weather. Bloody hell! Come on, Griffy! Come on, Griffy! Woo! Come on, go! Holy moly! It's a bit windy, lad! Look at dog's loving it! Jubilee Tower is on the other side of there, so we'll follow this path and cut round to it. I need to get my Sena GoPro. Anybody want to donate the GoPro? I'm sick of filming on the phone. Just about holding on to it back round about now. I'd like to say the wind's died down a bit, but we came up and over, so it's just like quieting down, but you still hear it. But as soon as we start making that ascent up to the top, to the Jubilee, it'll start whacking us from behind, and then on top we'll get a real good idea of how strong it actually is. I think the idea is to go straight over the top of it and pitch the other side, because it is a southwesterly wind, so we should be completely sheltered on the other side. A nice bit of flagpole rolling over. New bag. Oh, it's new waterproofs, new boots, and my cookies are in his bag. Can't have a camp without a pack of Maryland. Sadie! Okay. We made it to the Jubilee Tower. A little bit windy. Still good fun. Jesus Christ, man! Can't even get on the bloody top of the thing. Down, girl. Woo!
I don't know where it was.
Holy moly! Sadie, come. Couldn't even get up the steps to the tower. Bloody hell! Woo! Little shelter on this side. It's all good fun. I'm going to attempt to get up the stairs now. I want to get a reading on what the wind is now. I might have to leave the dog with James. Yeah, get up on the own. This is scary. No! God! Holy shit! Where is he? Holding on for dear life. Fucking hell, help me! Shit! Oh! Back! Fucking hell! Woo! Hey! We're trying to get on the top! Sadie, come! Come! Go! Fucking sake! My God! Woo! We just got down from the top. It was out of breath trying to hold on. That was a battle. I had to put the phone away. I put the windometer thing away, but we got a reading of 60.1 right on the summit of Mulvama. This storm isn't actually meant to hit its highest winds till about 7, so about 2 hours away. Jesus, that was a battle.
It's not 2 hours, it's 1 hour.
Okay, it's 1 hour away. I'm meant to be. So our plan is to head to the gate line there and head down the other side and see if we can find a spot to pitch there, because it's coming here across and we're just well sheltered here. If I had the Elcat bivvy, I'd just get down, I'd stay down here because this is actually lush, and as you can tell by the audio, it's probably a lot better as well. So yeah, we're going to make a beeline for the gate, get over that and see what it's like down the other side. Look very optimistic. I think we are going to get a camp in even with this storm. We just got to hope we got a bit of shelter. So we'll check in when we found the spot, because we've got to battle our way there. Fucking hell. They're useless in this weather. Right, let's roll out.
Let's roll.
Can't wait for some food and a cup of brew. What is it I'm doing for the first time? Drinking a cup of tea through a Twix. What in the hell is that?
Put in the comments.
Yeah. Comment if you've had it.
Anyone hasn't done it, you need to try it.
So, it's turned up with Twixes. He's like, we're gonna have a cup of tea through then. And I'm like, what? So I've never done it. If you've done it, let us know in the comments what you think of a tea through a Twix. If you haven't done it, maybe try. The flag's really blowing in. I'm coming this way. It's nice and clear though. You've got some decent image. The camera went to me. Oh no! Run away! Run away! Fucking hell! Right, I'll come back in a bit. As we've dropped off the top there, perfectly sheltered. Now we just got to find a spot on this side because it's covered in heather and big steep drops. So hopefully we can find a nice little patch to throw 2 tents in, get inside, get a brew on, watch a bit of TV, get a good kip. That's the plan.
Don't forget the bickies.
And the bickies, we've got to have the bickies.
Twix.
See, I'm on a strict diet and he's turned up with Twix and biscuits. The main event. Look at that, he was on about bringing a pack of cards and sharing tents and that, having a fucking proper lads evening. We get the cigars out.
Oh, we forgot beer.
Oh, we forgot a beer.
What beers?
Forgot that one. Yeah, so once we find a spot, check back in. Whether we can have the phone up to see us pitch, but to be honest, there's hardly any wind here, so it's perfect. Yeah, let's go find a pitch. And we found this snug little spot, a little Christmas tree in the middle of us. I'm going to go here, he's going to pitch in there, well sheltered, wouldn't even know there was a storm happening. And that's kind of what we aim for, get to the top, see what it's like, and then just get shelter for the tent. I don't know, it could change direction in the night and we still could get a battering, but yeah, all is good. It's not raining, there's no wind, so we're losing light rapidly. I think it's about 10 minutes till sundown. So I was quickly going to pitch the tent and then pull you back when we're cooking, having a brew and the rest of it. Yes, we're camping. It is bright red fucking bear house. Stay. Oh, we're pitched. Note to self, don't leave it so long next time to pitch in the bloody dark. What a nightmare. Excuse me. Oh, but that feels good. So yeah, I got some new stuff. So, I got some new gear. I have got the OEX Leviathan EV 900 down bag, and I got the OEX Flux 7R sleep pad, which is like I think it's a 7.1R rated, and it's about 9 inches off the ground or something. 9 inches. Not 9 inches. Definitely not 9 inches. Ow. 9 centimetres off the ground. Decent. I tried doing mates out the other week on a scout camp and really liked it, so I got it. Sadie's all sorted. There's a roll mat and a towel. She's had her food, she's had her drink. All good. Thank you. She'll settle down for the night now. I haven't bought any cooking stuff this time. He's brought it all because he wants to try out his new gear. So he's got like a OEX Jackel style thing. And then we've got, what are we on tonight? We've got chili and rice. The way for chili and rice. So we'll see how that one is. I've not had that one before. And then he's got his famous Twixters, and I do need to go to his tent because he's got me Marylands. I need to get a brew on. And here's, I don't think you can see, might just see his light on just there. It's like a little mini Christmas tree in between us. So yeah, all is good. As you can see, tent's not moving really. Well sheltered. Here's to hopefully a good night's sleep. My tootsies are bone dry. Absolutely love these boots. Where is he? There he is, behind the little crimbo tree. There he is! Very good! Peekaboo!
Want me to bring the thingy over to you?
It's up to you, mate.
Cooking in your vestibule, innit?
You want to cook in my vestibule?
I mean, mine's not got much room. I couldn't guide mine out properly.
Oh yeah, he's not been able to get all his guides out because he's literally wedged in down there. You can do, mate, yeah.
I'll bring the bickies.
Let's have a brewski.
A brewski.
Yay, we're cooking on his new OEX Solo cook system. Ready to throw the chili and rice in. We've got bickies, a bag of goodies. But yeah, it's a neat little bit of kit, this. Sounds. In with the grub. In with the grub. Get the lid on. Get the lid on. Get that cooking, heating up quicker. Oh, I'm so hungry as well. Signal's shocking here, so we've got like no TV tonight, but never mind. Food is served.
Yummy.
Can
you see me?
Fucking head torches on. Oh, it's a bit better. Oh, it's his first wild camp as well. Got all the gear, and we need to try it out.
No idea though.
No idea. The old way for it. Alright. I'm gonna just move this light. And see if that's any better. There we go. That's a wee bit better. I'm gonna keep putting my thumb in the camera. Like I said, I'm sick of filming on my phone. I just don't have the spare dollars at the minute for, well, pound sterling actually, for GoPro. So if anybody wants to donate a GoPro, feel free. God loves a trier. And you don't ask, you don't get. Right, let's go. Can I even prop? Oh, I can just prop that up there. That'll do. That wire, that's like a thermometer outside. Trying thermometers and all that out. Oh, God. Oh, golly gosh. Right. They're good, aren't they? Oh, for fuck's sake. Right. Hi.
Bloody lovely fucker.
I'm gonna try this bad boy. I've not had this one. I usually have the army ration packs, as you've seen in my other videos. So let's see what these wafers are all about. Oh. Ooh, it's nice and feels warm. Give it a good mix. Right, what are we on? What is it? Chili and the rice. There you go. There's the chili and rice. It smells amazing. Tastes even better. That's well good. Oh no. We were down and sheltered. It seems like the wind's changed that. It seems like the wind's changed direction. It's kind of, yeah. So it could be a bit. This is actually really nice.
Oh, is it?
Mmm.
It's nice. I could hear voices before, you know.
Yeah, so can I. I can hear voices.
Maybe I might.
I'd like to say what idiot's out in this weather. Yep. Oh, I'm going to scan the rest of this. And then I'll come see you and probably say goodbye at night, because it'll be an early night. And then if anything drastic happens in the night with the wind and this storm, I'll definitely bring you back. So, peace. Bruce Skalowski time.
Just do it until you get like some sort of water through.
And apparently I've got to bite the end of my Twix and suck my brew. Sadie steak. Good girl. You can't have it, it's chocolate.
I think the shorter the better, to be fair.
Oh.
Yeah. I mean, they're the extra Twix.
Okay.
So
we'll take an extra bite.
Yeah. And then drink it through it. Until you just get water. Well, the tea, through whatever. I'll see.
Right, let's see what this is about.
Getting anything yet? Go until you get some sort of tea. You getting it? That'll be good now.
It's not bad.
Bite the bottom end.
But
It's when you bite it. No, when you bite it, this is heaven.
Oh yeah.
The caramel warm.
Yep.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's pretty good.
Right there.
Oh. It's like hot, gooey, melted caramel.
With a little bit of biscuit. Can't be it.
That was actually quite good. That was good, that. Okay, fair play. I've not tried that before. That was half decent, that. Oh, and that's a nice brew. A good old English breakfast. I'm enjoying this.
The shorter the better, definitely.
I've been on such a strict diet like the last 2 weeks now.
Both have.
I've not had a cup of tea in like 2 weeks. I've not had chocolate. Oh yeah. I've lost just over half a stone by doing it.
It's like sex in the mouth.
2 weeks.
That's great.
It is. When I've not been eating anything like this for so long.
Oh my God.
You like that steak? Still got door open.
My tent looks like it's gonna fucking blow away.
It's not cold at all. It's lush. Oh, for sake. Oh. Just see the top right.
Just some mad buzz cut. Fucking shit.
I just can't be bothered getting the tripod out. I'm just not getting it out. Right. I'm going to finish my tea off and yes, I want some of them. Maryland's. What you got to? Seriously chocolatey digestives. Biscuit and brew. Biscuit brew bed. I just put, 25 to 9. It's my bedtime.
My back's starting to hurt, you know, like sitting up in a funky way.
Peace out. Speak to you in a bit. Oh, all snugged and tucked up. I'm just ready to go to sleep now, mate. What is it? 5 to 9. 5 to 9, and I am ready for sleep. Baby's down there. tucked away in the corner. I did have my down jacket on, but that's come right off because it's roasting. Yeah, buzzing, absolutely buzzing with the sleeping bag. I've got in it and I've warmed up. Like, well, I was warmish anyway, but I'm like overheating now. Nothing too crazy outside. Nothing too crazy outside. So I might just get some kip. Alarm set for 5:45. Up nice and early, and then make our way and get back for a full day with the fambo in the house. Yay! Right. Night all, if anything happens in the night, you will be brought back. But unless the wind picks up or changes direction and comes down this little valley part, I think this is going to be the best we're going to get tonight. No, that's wrong. I think that this will just stay like it. Oh, I don't know, I'm tired. See you in the morning. We just come out for a little inspection. There's been a couple of gusts hitting there, but that's about it. But everything's still fine. For those of you who are thinking of wild camping, etc., just make sure you still got a little bit of slack in your guides. You don't want them to be super tight. That's all it's really doing. It's not really been much more than that. Sadie, you have a wonder. You having a wee? Pee with you. It's a bit blowy. See, as soon as you come out of where we're pugged away. Come. As soon as we're pugged away down there. As soon as you come out there, it's quite windy. It's proper sheltered. Yes, you daft bat. Are you going under them? Here he is. I said I was going to bed before, and that was at like what, 10 to 9. It's now 10:05. I don't know if I can get my phone high enough, but it's cleared right up. Them lights over there is Liverpool front. God, I say, let's go to the toilet.
Bloody down, shoes on.
Oh no! It's gonna get him all wet. I just rock out with the scarves and the shorts. Right. Yeah, I'm in my fucking shorts still. It's warm. There you go. That's a better view. Look at that. They're the cranes and that in Liverpool. And it's sound that. Storm Amy, my ass. We just went for a little stroll. Not that the camera does it any justice whatsoever. But look, Storm Amy, they said. Hardly moving. It's not that bad. Look at that view. It's cleared right up. I want to know what that light is. That single light. Just there. Looks like a fire or another torch or whatever. But look, that view out to Liverpool. That's awesome. I'm going to head back into the tent now. And I wonder. Sadie! Here she is. Good girl. Good girl. Come on then, come. And let's head into camp. And here's our camp. Just pugged away down here. Here we are. OEX Jackel 2, as always. And then the Berghaus Cheviot 2,
Sorry for
I
itself.
believe. Looking sorry for itself. Yeah, but we've had a nightmare getting these pegs in for this one. I love the design of this. It's a sturdy tent. It's a Boss tent. It's got like a Hillyberg feel to it with the crossovers.
I'm going to say,
it's looking good.
It's not built for people 6 foot.
Oh really?
Yeah, my feet are, with the mat, my feet are touching.
Are they?
And, yeah, it's touching the top like.
Is it, yeah?
But I don't know whether that's the way it's fixed as well.
Yeah, we have struggled to get that one in. But it's in, and it's down, it's pegged. So yes, I'm going to head back inside. And we'll see what the night brings. It's 25 to 11. I'm going to get my head down for a bit. like I said, the alarm's set for 5:45, so we can get packed up and head back down. Got to be back early doors tomorrow. Got a few things on. A new little like proby thermometer. 13.8 degrees inside, so it's not too bad. I'm still in my shorts and that. This sleeping bag's unreal, proper toast. So yeah, hopefully the next time you see me will be the morning and nothing else happens in this storm. We've had a few little gusts, don't know if you can hear it, but that's all it's kind of doing to the tent. It's not doing much. And there's a biggest gust. It just seems to be blowing over the top of them, so woo! Right, see you all in the morning. Night. Morning. 5 to 6. Alarm went off like 10 minutes ago, but I've just been, just chilling. As you can see, by the tent, it's still not moving, so you wouldn't actually know there was a storm. I woke once at 4:20 because the tent did take like a violent shake from a gust. That was about it. The dog hasn't moved. She put her back right along the side. I've put her little blanket on her. I think that was one of the best sleeps I've actually had. I say this every time. Every time I wake up, I think I've just had the best sleep. I think that was. I've got a better mat, a warmer mat, and this sleeping bag. I'm only in my fleece, which I had to undo, my shorts, and I took my socks off. I was absolutely roasting in it. So I'll be doing a review on this because it is toasty. I think we're just going to get packed away and start making our way back to the car. But yeah, would not know there was a storm meant to have been hitting us, or maybe the storm is going on out there. But I think we're just found the perfect spot, sheltered, that we've been out of it. Which is good because it means we've got to get a camp in. So yeah. Oh. Let's get packed away. I could stay here for another hour though, to be fair. Right, I'm going to start getting packed away anyway, so we can get on the move. Get saved our breakfast. Hey girlie. Hey, good morning. She loves it, she does. Good morning. Yeah, pretty much packed up now. Just got to roll the dog's mat up and we are done. It was saying it was 13.1 degrees in here, and then outside it's reading 7.3 degrees. So just under 6 degrees. Just under 6 degrees warmer in the tent. Plus being in that sleeping bag. It was lovely. So literally just got to put tent away now. Perfect. There we go, Beargal Chevy 2 gone, packed away. No trace, leave no trace. Hey, there's a dog. Leave no trace. OEX Jackel 2, pack down. Once again, leave no trace. Yeah, absolutely nothing. Perfect, right? Let's head back and down the rest of the way. And the heavens have opened, of course, when we started packing down. The tent wasn't that wet this morning.
Fucking is
Very fucking soaked now. Not a bad morning. Not a bad view. Sun's putting some nice colour up. About halfway back to the car now. Lovely morning. What storm, what storm. The only part of the storm that we seen was at the bloody top. Sun trying to come out. But it's actually quite, it is a lovely morning. I've already said that, but it is getting a bit better. Just on our last little ascent up, and then it'll drop down to the car park. You said he's took your coat off, haven't you, girl? He is, he's completed his first wild camp and he loved it. On to the next. There we go, looking back on where we came from last night. Yes, Jubilee Tower. Love it. Love it. Bliss. Right, peeps, we are literally getting back to the car park, so that is this video at an end. What a great camp that was. Yes, we had the storm at the top, but once we dropped down and found that snug little spot, it was absolutely amazing. Slept all night, great sleep. Lovely walk down this morning. Sun's poking out behind us. We've had some decent views. So now
the OEX R7 or whatever it is.
Yes. Yeah, the OEX Flux 7R gave us a hell of a great sleep. So there'll be a review on that. There'll be a review on the Leviathan EV 900 as well, because that was also amazing. So yeah, once again, OEX, well done. You're smashing the products, and this is the first time trying out this raincoat as well. And I've still got to review the bag, which has now been out on several hikes and camps. So we're back at the car park. Catch us all on the next one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell to get notified when the videos drop. Thanks a lot. Boom.